is it the tax pros really want from you as a bookkeeper? If you can learn this career-changing skill set, you will have CPAs sending you clients for your entire career. Hey bookkeepers, it's Trudi from Maven. Let's talk about that year-end handoff. Because here's the truth, it is not just cleaning up QuickBooks, FreshBooks, whatever it is you're using. You are translating chaos into clarity for the CPA to facilitate your client's tax return. You and the CPA are both working toward that goal. And if you do this right, you will become the most valuable person in the room every time. CPAs are not detectives, okay? They're not chasing receipts or hunting down opening balances. They've got 1,000 returns to crank out, and if your file is confusing, you just became a stressor, not a problem solver. They want clarity, so keep it simple. They want confidence, so communicate openly and often. And they want to trust that the numbers are tied down. And they do, because you're going to give them proof. So when you send over an account with suspense balances, undeposited funds, a bunch of things in Ask My Accountant, guess what? You've just handed them your to-do list. Big no-no. If you want to become a CPA's favorites, here's what you need to give them with zero back and forth. Your year-end CPA handoff checklist needs to include finalized bank reconciliations, which is banks, credit cards, all loans, all tied out. Clean the entire balance sheet. Make sure that that chart of accounts flows correctly. Notes to the CPA, a little memo or a cover letter that ties out owner draws, asset purchases, loans, new financing, unusual transactions, year-end documents. You need a fixed asset list, which I just mentioned. You need payroll and sales tax overview and tie-out reports, and you need questions or flags. Don't hide what you don't know. Highlight what you don't know. Most bookkeepers hand off a file and then cross their fingers. You have to hand them confidence through clarity. And this is your intermediary role. You translate operational messes into tax-ready precision. The bonus? A happy CPA will send you referrals because they want every client to come with a bookkeeper like you. If you really want to become a skilled intermediary, we go over this step-by-step in detail, including templates for tasks like year-end payroll and sales tax tie-outs in Maven systems. We actually focus very heavily on intermediary skills. And this is partly because I continue to be seriously surprised at the number of experienced bookkeepers that don't understand the tax prep portion of their job. Remember, bookkeeping isolated by itself serves only two purposes. One is making management decisions. You're facilitating data to the owner to make quick decisions. And two is tax prep facilitation. And depending on the time of year, you're very focused on the tax prep facilitation. And since wowing a CPA can create many referrals for many years to come, it's a total no-brainer. So understanding how tiered referrals work, this can create an entire client base. It's one of the easiest ways to get referrals. So this isn't about impressing CPAs, even though this certainly will. It's actually about becoming essential. And that starts with speaking their language fluently, confidently, and ahead of the deadline.